He had gone to court last week, a hopeful man, confident that within 7 days he would have put his industrial relations skills to good use and the doctors' strike would be over. However, today a dejected Atwoli appears to have given up.
Na nilikuwa najua kama ni genuine strike siku mbili nitakuwa nimemaliza.
More than 7 days later and 70 days into the strike, there is no solution to this stalemate. Instead, only twists. He blames the two heads of the Ministry of Health for the ongoing crisis at the negotiations.
Cleopas Maili ambaye ni kijana wenu kutoka hapa ndio waziri. Yeye ndio cabinet secretary, yeye ndio waziri. Na alipochakua huyu Nicholas Muraguri kuongoza majadiliano, alikimbia anaenda Nyeri. Ndio anaandikisha watu kwa kura na bado anaongea na kati ya hawa vijana wengine kwa simu. Sasa mwezi kufikia majadiliano. There is infighting in the Ministry of Health. Labda iko kitu Mailo anataka kusuhia.
Atwoli also accuses the doctors of being too rigid in their demands, despite the numerous pledges, especially on salary increments that have already been made by the government.
Juzi nilikaa mpaka usiku, saa 6 ya usiku, na madaktari kwa ofisi yangu. Nikawaambia muende msign a return to work formula ili tuendelee kujadiliana CBA kama mko kazini. Watu wanakufa. Hiyo hataki kusikia.
Doctors power!
He also claims that senior doctors in private clinics are benefiting from the strike.
Hawa pia wana misadvise hawa vijana ambao wako kwa mgomo madaktari. My son included. Na wale ambao wako na private clinics. Mnasikia? Pia hawataki hii mgomo ya madaktari ikwishe. Kwa ajili sasa watu wengi wanaenda kutafuta dawa huko. Na Wakenya wa kawaida wanakufa.
The Cotu Secretary General says union leaders across the country should now be trained on how to negotiate with their employers to avoid strikes going on endlessly like the doctors.
As my leaders I had.
The parties are expected in court tomorrow morning to report on the progress of the negotiations, and with nothing to show for the week that they've already had, the KMPDU officials could now be jailed, the sentence having been lifted severally to allow for negotiations.
If Mr. Atwoli will let me down, I'm extending this job to you. I'll proceed because the ruling is ready and deliver my ruling on Monday, the 13th of February.
The doctors today took to social media, and for 2 hours on Twitter, the officials of the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Union answered questions from the public on why they were on strike and what their demands were. Some sought to understand how their CBA will ensure that there is improvement in the public healthcare sector. Andrew Ochieng, NTV.